Welcome to Xrero School Management. Let's dive in. Xrero School Management runs a whole K-12 school in one place. A child applies for admission, is enrolled as a student in a class, attends lessons, sits exams, and the school manages everything around them: fees, library, transport, hostel, health, counseling, and safeguarding, while parents follow progress through a portal. Sign into Xrero and open the school app. The top menu groups the school into clear sections. What you see depends on your role. Before anything else, set up the structure everything hangs on: your schools, the current academic year, the classes, grades, and their sections, the subjects taught, the daily periods, and the rooms. New families apply, online or entered by the registrar. Each application captures the child's details, guardians, and documents, including the UAE Emirates ID, passport, birth certificate, photo, and any transfer certificate. The student record is the heart of the system. It holds the child's profile, photo, guardians, class, and section, and links to everything about them: attendance, results, fees, library loans, transport, and health. Log behavior incidents fairly and consistently. Each record notes the student, the date, what happened, and the action: a warning, suspension, or expulsion, and moves draft confirmed resolved. At year end, move a whole class up at once with promote students. Choose the source class and the destination class for the new year, review the list, and confirm. Each teacher has a profile with their subjects, the classes they teach, and their status: active, on leave, or resigned. Build each class's weekly timetable: which subject, teacher, and room fill each period. A timetable is draft published. Once published, it appears for teachers, students, and parents. Teachers mark attendance per class and period. For each student, choose present, absent, late, excused, or half day. The attendance sheet is saved draft confirmed. Define exam types: quiz, midterm, final. Then schedule exams per class and subject with date, total marks, and pass mark. After an exam, teachers enter marks on a single grid for the whole class. Xrero computes each student's grade and a pass/fail from your grade configuration. Grade configuration sets the mark bands, e.g. 90 to 100 equals A. Beyond marks, skill-based assessment lets teachers rate competencies by skill category and skill for younger grades or non-exam subjects, recorded as skill assessments that also appear on the report card. Teachers post assignments and homework with a due date and attached study material. An assignment is draft published closed. Each student submission is tracked pending submitted graded or flag late. The report card generator compiles each student's marks, grades, skills, and attendance for a term into a printable card. Cards move draft generated published. Once published, parents can view and download them from a portal. Define fee types: tuition, transport, books, activities. Then build a fee structure per class. The list of fees a student in that grade owes for the year in AED. Run generate invoices for a class or the whole school, and Xrero creates each student's fee invoice from their fee structure. Record a payment against an invoice, cash, card, or bank transfer, and the balance updates instantly. A scholarship reduces a student's fees. It's requested, then applied, approved, rejected, and an approved scholarship is deducted automatically when invoices are generated. Track what the school spends. An expense, supplies, maintenance, salaries, is logged and approved draft submitted, approved, rejected, and budgets set a plan spend per category so the bursar can compare actual against plan through the year. The library catalogs books by title, author, ISBN, and category, and tracks copies available. Students and staff are members. Everything is searchable, so the librarian can find a title and see who has it on loan at a glance. Issue a book to a member with a due date. When it comes back, click Return. If a wanted book is out, a member places a reservation, pending available, fulfilled, expired/canceled, and is notified when it's free. Set up your bus routes with their stops, the vehicles with capacity and status active under maintenance retired, and the drivers. Each day generates trips, morning and afternoon, that move scheduled driver checked in and progress completed. As students board and alight, they're checked in, expected boarded dropped off, or absent/picked up by parent, giving parents and the office real-time safety visibility. For boarding schools, manage hostels, their rooms and beds, room status available partially filled full maintenance, and allocations of students to beds, active checked out transferred. The school nurse keeps each child's health record, allergies, conditions, blood group, and logs checkups, vaccinations, medications, medication log with status active, completed, discontinued, on hold, and incidents reported, treated, parent notified, resolved. Counselors record sessions with students, scheduled, completed, canceled/no-show, and maintain individual education plans, IEP, for students needing extra support. Each IEP has goals and reviews and moves draft active under review completed. Child protection concerns are logged in a strictly access-controlled register and handled, open, investigating, resolved, escalated, closed. Each parent record links to their children. Send communications. A message moves draft sent read, so you know it was seen, and book parent, teacher meetings, requested, scheduled, completed, canceled. Publish the school's academic calendar. Events, sports day, parents' evening, public and school holidays, and announcements to the whole school or a class. Manage school staff members and their contracts, track leave by leave type with requests approved like teachers, and produce internal payslips with generate payslips. Produce official documents on demand. Issue certificate, generates enrollment letters, transfer certificates, and the like, and student ID cards, print from the profile photo. Role-based dashboards give each team its headline numbers. The admin dashboard, students, attendance today, staff. The finance dashboard, fees collected versus outstanding, and the admissions dashboard, applications in the pipeline. Parents and students get a secure portal, no back-end access. There they see attendance, timetable, results and report cards, fee invoices and balances, assignments, announcements and meetings, and can message the school. Access follows roles. A teacher sees their classes, the finance office sees fees, the nurse sees health, safeguarding is locked to designated leads. Parents see only their own children. Schools that run smoothly on Xrero share these habits, summarized here, then explained. The student journey in 5 words: apply, enroll, learn, attend, exams, fees, and support, promote. The question schools ask most with a quick answer. That is Xrero School Management. Start your free trial today.